In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the reverse slip stitch. Here's what it looks like completed. You can see my working tail is in front, and I have my slip stitch in the back. Here's what it would look like if you had just slip stitched, and I'll show you what exactly or why I'm using the reverse slip stitch. So you can see these two wandering lines there, and when I work in the round, this often stays. And I don't really like this, so a solution is to use the reverse slip stitch. So to start that, what you're going to do is bring your working yarn to the front of your work, and then you're going to insert your hook from back to front. And then you're going to pick up that working yarn and pull it through, just as you would for a slip stitch. And then you're going to continue pulling that through the second loop on your hook. And there you have it. It's a nice join that has less of an obvious seam, and it's a good little fix. After joining, to continue working in the next row, you would just work directly into that stitch where your working yarn is coming from. And just like that, you can see we have this not necessarily seamless, but a less obvious seam.